A renowned writer, Rabindranath Tagore, has shared a thought-provoking parable. A poor beggar was sitting by the roadside, outside, begging for alms. And then he saw the king's chariot approaching, and his heart leapt with expectations. He would be blessed by the generosity of the king. As the chariot drew near, he extended his hand with a humble plea for some alms. And to his surprise, the king asked the driver to stop. Alighting from the chariot, the king approached the beggar and asked for alms. Utterly confused, the beggar puts his hand in his bag of corn and takes a grain of corn and gives it to the king. The king thanks him and returns to his chariot, which soon speeds away. Cursing himself for the bad day, the beggar got back to his home, to his hut in the evening. And when he emptied his bag on the floor, the heap of corn which he put on the floor, he found one grain of gold. And he regretted that he did not have the heart to give the king all the corn he had in his bag. The moral of the story is quite clear. The measure that we receive, the more we receive, the more we'll get less. The more we give, the more we receive. And the less we give, the less we receive. This indeed is a fact of life, and it has guaranteed reward, because this principle is given by God Himself. Treat others as you would have others treat you. For the measure that you award others is the measure that will be awarded to you.